I made this in my last video, thanks to those who watched it and liked and commented. Click on the link above to watch that video first and this one will make more sense. So that's pretty much the finished product. I'm quite happy with how it's come up. I love the look of the spotted gum and it was essentially free. So the only thing I'm not 100% sold on is the height of this bottom drawer. So whether I should add a groove perhaps, a like shadow line, and make it look like there's more drawers there. Put something in the comments below, tell me what you think. Well, I've listened and the verdict is in. It was unanimous. All the comments suggested that I should add shadow lines to make it look like more drawers. I measured the top drawer and with a 3mm gap between them I could fit 4 lines on the bottom drawer to make it appear like 5 drawers. It was important to set the depth of the groove to ensure that it doesn't affect the integrity of the front of the drawer and lead to warping. Rather than go straight to the drawer, I wanted to test each cut on a scrap first. I'm thinking the safest way to do this rather than line it up is to measure once and use some actual maths. And that seems to add up. I've measured, I've used the calculator, and I've compared to the board. So I got one shot at this. Lucky I checked. Need to hit it over about 1mm. Here we go, this is the real deal. Well, there it is. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit because it's a bit dusty at the moment. When I talked about a shadow line before, is it going to have a shadow just as it is? The other thing I was thinking originally was run some resin through the middle, but I'm thinking that seems like a lot of hard work for such a small. And when you look from this angle, I think it does look like there's multiple drawers there and there's a good shadow line. But when you look straight on, not so much. So I think I'll go ahead and tape it up and spray paint like a matte black finish inside there. Even if it's unnecessary, you're not really going to see it from the top of the sides. So give it a go. Just a tiny bit of overspray in a few spots, so I'll give that a bit to dry and then I'll go and sand it again. So this is the finished product, and as I said in the last video, I wasn't a big fan of the large drawer at the bottom. I think this has really finished it off and it has more of that complex machinist toolbox feel to it now. I wasn't sure about this fake drawer or facade, but I'm actually pretty happy with the look while maintaining the function. So thanks for the feedback in the comments in the last video. I really hope you've enjoyed this update and I really appreciate you watching, especially those who've subscribed. Please check out some of my other videos and I'll see you on the next one.